Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is update 4 on my Betta aquarium setup. So finally, this is what I was looking forward to, and I finally got end results as to what I was uh, hoping to get. So this is the final setup, and this is exactly what I required. Um like you can see, the Gouramis and Bettas are back in the same 30-gallon aquarium. They're doing good now. They are, the territorial behavior has completely uh, reduced, and they are no longer fighting over food or fighting over territory. And yeah, so that's the reason I've removed the nano tank. I've removed the betta fish and put them back into this 30-gallon aquarium. And in place of the air pump, the Rambo air pump, I have introduced this RS Electricals hang-on back filter, which is RS 1000. It pumps water uh, like 500 liters per hour. So it's a pretty decent hang-on back filter. It's pretty quiet, and the constant flow of water gives a beautiful meditating kind of a feeling to your mind. So that's the reason I finally decided to go forward with this. So let me just show you the setup in detail. So I've basically removed the air pump and replaced it with this hang-on back filter, and I've also removed the substrate because I found that it is difficult to clean the fish poop because the substrate obviously acts as an obstacle for this siphon cleaner, which sucks the fish waste. So finally I decided, no, it's hard to clean the aquarium if the substrate is in. So that's the reason I finally decided to remove the aquarium sand, and now it's empty. The only things I've kept is the fake plant, uh, and this prop cave for the pleco. Here are the gouramis, and this is currently this hang-on back filter that I'm using. There is an RS 1000 R hang-on back filter which pumps water at a rate of 500 liters per hour, and there is a sponge which needs a cleaning every once a week. So it helps, the good maintenance will increase the lifespan of this air pump. Sorry, it's not an air pump, it's a hang-on back filter. So proper maintenance is going to improve the durability of this hang-on back filter. And the pleco is quite addicted to this hang-on back filter, and he seems to enjoy this area in and around this water that is trickling down from the filter. So there are also betta fishes which enjoys the trickle down of the water, and this is a female betta fish. So she's quite curious as to what's happening, and they are very intelligent fishes and very good eyesight. They tend to react to all your physical gestures. There it is, the gourami. The gouramis are not as interactive as the bettas are, but they are beautiful fishes, and they too have a labyrinth organ, so makes them pretty hardy fish to keep for beginners. That's the three-spot gourami, and there is the opaline gourami. So three spots have got like three black spots on the body, so that's the reason they're called three spot or even blue gourami. And opaline gourami lack the three spots, but they too are blue in coloration, and that's the reason they call opaline gourami. And here is the male betta, the half moon betta, which I call Buddhist, and he's quite happy. in this particular aquarium. He was though not as interactive in the nano tank, because I initially introduced him in this large aquarium and then put him back into the small aquarium, and due to maybe lack of space, or maybe there could be some reasons why he was not very happy in the nano tank. So now there are a lot of movements which suggest that he's quite happy to get back to his older home. There it is, one of the female bettas. She's probably one of my favorites because she's a very curious fish. Seems to be involved in everything, and I've kept an open hood tank, so it kind of gives a good oxygen flow for the aquarium. The plecos with the fresh roots that have popped out from the stems, so they are having a very healthy growth thanks to this light, which gives a proper amount of heat and light source for the plant to produce its food and grow, and the plants in return help the fishes and the water. Because basically this hang-on bag filter has three main components. One is a motor with a fan which propels the water, sucks the water into the pump, and then the water comes back through this blue filtration system. We call it a biofilter, and back to the aquarium tank. So that is a very simple mechanism, but it's quite a quite a healthy mechanism to keep healthy fishes in your aquarium. And the sound of water, constant water flowing, is also trickling down, is also quite good to the ears and the mind. It helps you to relax. There you go, there is the white female betta. She too seems to be pretty curious. They interact a lot amongst each other, unlike the gouramis. The gouramis are basically omnivorous, and the behavior also tends to be just about eating whatever is available in the aquarium. So they go after everything: algae, flakes, bloodworms, pellets, you name it, and they go after it. So this behavior is constantly seen, chasing after each other. But the good news is that they have stopped attacking the bettas, and the bettas, male bettas, stop attacking them. So that's the reason they are now living in this community aquarium. And there you see the male half moon betta Brutus. He is currently navigating through his region, and he is very less in terms of his aggression compared to other male bettas that have witnessed in the past. So here is a female betta. This betta has beautiful coloration, but my lighting is a golden yellow, so it does not justify the beautiful coloration of the fish. So there is a tinge of blackishness to the color of the fish, but that's not its actual color. So again, I've replaced this jar with a metallic component and placed in this artificial plant in it, and it is a good hiding spot for the fish. So Yeah, so that's it. That's an update from my side for my what do you call dream setup, which has all the right components in place, and I'm quite happy with this setup. And probably this does not probably needs another change. So this is for a long-term perspective, and I hope you liked the video and would help a lot of people like you to get into the aquarium hobby. And yeah, it's a beautiful thing. It's healthy. It's keeps you entertained, gives a living vibrance to your living room, your home, and yeah. So that's it from my side. Stay safe, and see you guys next time for another new video. Bye bye.